So this comes off. This is a demonstration of taking this. And what you do is you slot this off, and then to come off now, and then you slot you slot that off, which is, and then you just kind of slot that off, and then that just splits on that. This bit just obviously goes back into here, which is gonna be fine, because it must be in a different way. So that just sits here, and then this bit just sits in. So what you need to do is take this bit out of here. So what you do is you take that out of here. Put it in. Alright, okay. And then that just comes out there. That just comes out, and then what we do is there could be a wee slot. I think there's a wee slot somewhere, which means oh, I've got a wee slot, there we go. And then over there, just going to do that, and then what we need to do is we need this to slot this wee bit out. So what we need to do is change that over there, set that there, and then what we'll do is just cut that over there, and then this bit goes in here, and then just slots out. It should probably slot like the way you can, it should probably slot, but this is slot out. It should probably slot where you can, it should probably slot where they can, we can just slot that out. I think that might be that. I think we can, I think we can just slot that in. Well, that's that slot out. So then all we need to do is to change the battery. So the battery's already out, if you know what I mean. So now what we need to do is put the battery back in, so that just slots in here. So that's the battery, which slots in here, which slots into that bit, right? And then there's a specific way this needs to go back on. So as far as I'm concerned, that just slots in there. And then this just slots in there, and then that should be fine. And then that should be ours, right? And then all we need to do is put this bit back on. Oh, I don't know that. Not it. So then this bit needs to slot back on. So that slot is back in it. Must slot in like that, maybe. So if you then put that back in here, so what just goes in here, which means goes in here, and then that just goes in there, and then this bit needs to go there, and then that to then just clip back in here. So that's put down the hold on 2 seconds to press it back on. And let's just slide back in like that. So if I can just slide that in like that. I just slide in, I think, and we'll just go on it. Don't know, just slide in like that, hopefully. Hopefully if I can get that to slide like that, so that just, sort of like that, right, so hopefully this just slides in, but depends how it goes in. Depends how it goes in. So that's it, just slide in like that, like hold on. Just slides in like that, like, so. Let's just slides right on. So that's about to now slide in, so if I can end the cover to come off like that. I can get this cover to slide off like that. And if I can get it to slide off. I can get it to slide off like that, right? So then if I can get it to slide off like that a wee bit. I can get it to slide off and then just and that to slide join like that, so hopefully so then hopefully it slides in. So this way, the way this works is it goes in like that, and then it goes in like that. This to then just slide back in, and then that's us. So I've got that, so that hopefully that just slides back in, and then all we need to do is to transfer this over to here. I just slide in there, and then to put the tray back in is to lock that in there. To put the tray back in, which is okay, so then the tray goes in here. And let the tray goes in. I can get it in. Oh, got a tray here, so hold on, so if I can just put this tray on here, and then just put this tray on here. And then if I can just hold that there, and then that'll go in there like that, and then hopefully goes in. And then it's 2 seconds till I'm finished, and then that goes back into here, and then that goes back in there, and then that's the Honda Key fit. Thank you.